I'm Rayansh.
And we're back with a seriously great update from our amazing school community.
That's right, Hudson. This week we're bursting with excitement to share the incredible generosity and kindness displayed during our cereal drive. And who better to fill you in on the details inside?
You heard it right. Our Helping Hand students stepped up a big time, donating a whopping 523 pounds of food last Wednesday. And it doesn't end there. They didn't just drop off their donations and call it a day. They took a trip to the food pantry to get a first-hand look at how their kindness is making a real impact in our community. And let's give a huge shout out to our 3rd grade and kindergarten classes for bringing the most boxes. As a special reward for their efforts, they got to join us for an epic Domino Effect of Kindness event in the gym last Wednesday.
It's moments like this that remind us of the power of giving back and supporting those in need.
We couldn't be prouder of each and every one of you for the great generosity and compassion.
Keep up the amazing work, Tigers. Let's continue to spread kindness and make our community a better place, one cereal box at a time.
Thank you for all the incredible support and participation. Keep rolling kindness.